Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove write protection from pen drive. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all guys, just check if there is any physical switch for write protection, because we need to turn off that and then you will see the write protection pop-up is removed. But if there is no physical switch for write protection on your pen drive and you are still getting that write protection pop-up, so how to fix that? For that you can just go to your search bar and type your disk part like this, and then you will see this is the disk part we want to open. Now here we need to click on run as administrator, and if you click that, if you get any kind of pop-up, we have to click on yes. So in my case I'm not getting pop-up, but if you get, just click on yes. Now here we need to type here list disk like this, and now hit enter. Then you will see all kind of disks connected to your PC, and here we need to find out the pen drive. So you can just find out your pen drive by looking at the size. So my pen drive is about 8 GB. So as you can see, this is the pen drive which I want to remove the problem. So here we are going to type select disk and now enter the disk number. So this is 1, so I'll just type 1 and now hit enter. Disk 1 is now selected, and here we just need to type attributes disk clear read only, and once you type that, just hit enter. Then you will see the disk attributes cleared successfully. It means that your write protection problem is solved, but for some reason the problem is still there. You can try the next method. For that you just need to hit right click on the start button, then click on run, and here we need to type reg edit and hit enter. Now here we need to do some things, such as we just need to click on H key local machine, and here you will find the option for system. Just click there, and in the system we will look for current control set. This is the one. Just click on the arrow, and now we are just going to click on control here, and here we have to find the option as storage device policies, and just scroll a bit and go to yes. So because this is alphabetically arranged, so we just need to check it here, and it is quite possible that there is no storage device policies option here. So for that case we can just easily make the folder. So in my case there is no option for storage device policies, so we can just make it. So how to make that? Just go, and this is the control folder where we are going to make the storage device policies. Just hit right click on the control, then go to new key, and here we are going to type storage device policies, and now hit enter. And once you do that, now again we have to right click on storage device policies, and now we are going to again add new, and this time we have to click on either 32-bit or 64-bit. This is going to be depend on our Windows operating system, so you just have to find out that what operating system you are using. So for that you can just hit right click on this PC icon and just hit on properties, and here you can see the system type. So in my case I am using 64-bit operating system, so I just need to click right click on storage device policies, click on new, and here I'm just gonna select 64-bit, and this time we are going to name this folder as write protected. And once you do that, just hit enter, and now we again have to click right click on this folder which we have created, and here you have to click on modify, and this time we have to make this 0 as 1. Just type 1 and hit on OK. And once you do all this step, you can just go and check if your problem is solved or not. So I'll just show you. My problem is now solved, so I can just copy my files right here. So once your files are copying, so it means that your problem is solved. But if the problem is still there, for that you can just use third-party app, and then for sure your problem will get solved. And you can use the third-party app for Mac as well. So yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can remove write protection from pen drive. And if I was a big help, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel to repay me. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.